Good afternoon, Cape Hatteras Secondary School families and students. We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you to the 2021 school year. While this school year is not beginning in a typical fashion, our staff remains committed to helping students grow both academically and personally. While we are operating remotely, we want to reassure parents and students that we will continue to support our students with daily learning objectives and lessons. The remote learning environment provides students with an opportunity to work from home through a combination of live meetings, pre-recorded lessons, and independent assignments. While remote learning provides students with some flexibility, students will be required to complete academic activities on time and attend scheduled meetings as assigned. Students will be held accountable for their attendance, their assignments, and any assessments associated with the enrolled courses. During this year's remote learning, students will be expected to be prepared for all activities or virtual sessions assigned by the teachers on a daily basis. If students are unable to attend a virtual class meeting, they will be expected to communicate this with their teacher prior to the meeting time. Additionally, students will need to complete assignments by the deadline provided. We expect that all students will complete their academic responsibilities to the best of their ability and with academic integrity. This year, attendance will be taken daily through a combination of live meetings, pre-recorded sessions, and various formative assessments chosen by the teacher. Students and parents will be notified in advance of any required meetings and assignments. As an additional layer of support, we will be providing parents with an outline of all upcoming week schedules and expectations every Friday. This information will be provided on our school's Google site, which will be linked to our school's website. Teachers will also be available 2 hours daily to help students in groups or individually through Google Meet sessions. In order to help bridge any communication gaps between school and home, each family or student will be receiving a personal phone call or Google Meet session from each teacher during the week of August 17th through the 24th. During this time, teachers will take a minute to review their classroom expectations and go over any pertinent information concerning their Google Classrooms. Teachers will be reviewing their office hours, contact information, and discussing the best time that they can provide extra support for your student. Most importantly, students will need to log into each teacher's learning management system page on Monday, August 17th. Links will be shared directly with students in an email by their teachers. Please know that we are all here for you and we are only a phone call away. If you have any immediate questions or concerns, please feel free to give me a call at 252-489-7782. And we look forward to meeting and working with each of you. Thank you and have a great day.